Welcome to Guided, stories of signs, synchronicities, whispers, and waking up. This is where we meet at the edge of logic and listen deeper. Let's explore what happens when we stop forcing and start flowing. Welcome to Terry and the Giddy Side.
Oh, it's the guide inside.
Right, Terry and the Guide inside.
Guided, episode 4, Panic. Some signs are soft, a whisper, maybe a feather, something subtle that makes you pause. And then there are signs that are just big, loud, and driving right toward you in form of a truck. This is Myrskog's comment from the YouTube channel. Myrskog has made a decision. It's a big one. She's going to quit her job. Her whole nervous system is buzzing, excited, scared, hopeful, and uncertain, all at once. She's in the car, driving, listening to a podcast, probably trying to steady her mind. And then, just as the person on the podcast says the word panic, a big lorry comes around the corner. On the side of it, in giant letters, the same word at the same time, panic. She's never seen a panic logistics truck before. Not before that moment, and not since. Just there. Exactly that second. Maybe it doesn't exactly soothe the nerves, not in that moment, but now looking back, she can laugh. Because whatever it was, coincidence, timing, fate, design, it was a sign, not necessarily a warning. It wasn't don't do it. And that's the thing about signs, they don't always tell us what to do, but they remind us that we're not alone in it. So sometimes the universe whispers, sometimes it sends a truck, and sometimes, like in this case, it sends both at the same time. Have you had a moment like this? A weirdly perfect coincidence? Felt way too precise to ignore? Send it to me. The details on how to do this is in the description below. So this is Guided, true stories of help and humor from somewhere unseen. Until next time, friend.